What does it
Yeah,
do?
first.
Do it again.
He's all like,
Oh my god. Oh, I was recording him.
Great. You solved my problem.
What is that in your hand? That's classy.
I know, right? Label out.
Is that what everyone at LSU is like?
No, mine.
Basically. We're all raging alcoholics. That's why I
earned
moved
that.
down there, so I'll blend. I
I just do moisturize.
Bitch. Crown me.
You didn't show her your titties, Collis.
Yeah, show your tits, bitch.
Oh my god, I don't want this